Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for August, should you choose to accept it, is as follows. Step 1. Add one or more of the suggested colors to your background. Step 2. Glue hand-stamped or patterned tissue down to your page. Step 3. Add a focal image or a shape. Step 4. Use one or more of the given words. Step 5. Add another layer of color. Step 6. Make marks and/or doodles in black, white, or gold. Step 7. Add thread and/or staples for more texture. And Step 8. Finish with journaling and/or splattering. Your suggested colors for August are greenery, desert flower, and honey ginger. And your words of inspiration are phenomenal, strength, queen, king, and fearless. And don't forget, y'all, this message is going to self-destruct in 3 seconds, so you better run and get going. Good luck!